Hi there, I'm Tim Shields, founder of Hardshell Labs, a conservation technology company, and I want to give you an update on some work we've been doing lately, but start with a look backwards. For the 35 years of my career where I was solely a desert tortoise biologist, this essentially was my technology. A probe for tortoise burrows, exploring tortoise burrows, a pair of binoculars for observations, and I would have a camera as well. And that was pretty much, other than a clipboard and a pen, that was it. My life has changed significantly since I founded Hardshell Labs, and I want to show you some of the gizmos we're working with and just introduce you to some projects we're pursuing. A lot of you may remember the Guardian Angel rover. It was the subject of a Kickstarter campaign. The results were really good, and we continued development of an internet-connected rover, and it showed such promise that now we're continuing that, and we're working on a project to develop a semi-autonomous rover that will have some abilities just to navigate through habitat on its own, and there will be a collaboration with the human operator. But I think it gives us some really interesting capabilities on that score. So we're going for funding on that, and that's through a program called the Small Business Innovation Research Contract Program. One that we have secured funding for is the Techno-tortoise project. You may remember these. I've been talking about this for a while. These are 3D printed model tortoises intended to attract ravens and either record their attacks or actually fight back. We're going to booby trap these things, not to hurt the ravens, but to teach them not to eat baby tortoises. It's an intriguing project, my personal favorite. So we've got some funding for the Techno-tortoise project. We have a whole slew of drone-based ideas that we're developing, where we take a commercially available drone and retrofit it with equipment to do observational tasks and direct intervention for pest management. I'll leave it at that for now, but we've got 2 or 3 projects that are really interesting using drones. And lasers. This TR3 is another favorite of mine. This is like a magic wand for getting rid of ravens. And we've done several preliminary projects testing the repulsive effect of laser light on ravens, gotten really good results, and with a number of other pest birds. And so the drawback of this version is that it requires a human operator full-time. We're interested in developing a remotely fired laser. This is a radio-controlled model that we developed that works like a champ, and it allows the operator to be at some remove from the device itself. And we're experimenting with a number of ways to achieve truly remote operation of lasers for bird management. So you can see wide variety of pretty interesting projects. One funded, or one, the funding's on the way. The other 4 are all candidates for other significant chunks of funding. So the next couple of years are going to be really exciting for Hardshell Labs, and I'd urge you to stay tuned. Thanks to all our collaborators. I particularly want to call out T3B, an engineering firm that works with us. Roy Haggard, Paul Anderson, both have been really helpful. But a whole slew of people support this work, and we're really grateful for that, and we're excited for the potential. So stay tuned, my friends.